Hi people, welcome to the lesson today. We are talking today about a presentation, okay? About a presentation, we have the term, a presentation, and when you need to do a presentation, we can may say, digina diami, digina diami, tell your name. For example, digina diami is Joseph. Okay. Another way to say that is M. Joseph. Okay. About the other things, when you say where do you born, we can say angivalela mudiembo. If you need to tell where the country, where the city, we can say ngimukwa. Okay? For example, we can say ngimukwa Inglaterra, ngimukwa Angola. When you say that ngimukwa Angola, we are saying I am from to Angola, I am from to Estados Unidos or other country. Então, ngimukwa, we are showing where you are indicated, where do you come from. Alright? Here, angivalela mukizuwa kia makunye yadini kiadi yambeji yakavwa kamuvu wa 2023. This phrase is showing your date of the born, when you born, of your date. Kavwa is the month. Muvu is the year when you born. When you need to say your date of the born, we can say that in Kimbundu. Angivalela mukizuwa kia 2000. Angivalela mukizuwa kia 22 yambeji yakavwa kamuvua 2023. When you need know the name of someone, we can say digina die 9. He will tell, we will respond, my name is. Digina die 9 mean, what is your name? Digina die 9. Other way to say what is your name is Eye 9. Okay? Tata G9. Here this is a question for now. What is your father's name? What is your father's name? Look at Tata, Jitata, no specifically if it's woman or father. Tata is to mother and father. Okay. When you last hear that, what is the gene again? Oh, Jitata G9. We are talking. What is your father? What is name your father? When you need to know where is the space, we can say wavala kwebi. When you need to know where is the person born, you can say wavala kwebi. Or the way to say that, umukwa kwebi. He is asking where you born, where you from. Now we can say where you come from, we can, meaning in Kimbundu, umukwa kwebi. Okay. What is it when you born? Is it the dad? If you want asking what to do people, where you born? Utenda kuzwela wavala mukizuwa kepi. When you born, okay, is meaning in Kimbundu wavala mukizuwa kepi. Now today we show to you we're learning about a presentation. We can say the Jami can. This is the lesson about a presentation. And don't forget to subscribe if you need learning more. We can write for us and we can respond to you and we can into to our classroom. Okay, we can see again in other lesson. Thank you.